everyone. I know you are super pumped up to do the trapezoid mid-segment theorem. Say what? Alright, so the trapezoid mid-segment theorem refers to something about the mid-segment in a trapezoid. Alright, which I have the definition and the theorem over here that we're going to be using as we work through the examples. So get excited. So a mid-segment of a trapezoid is a segment whose endpoints are the midpoints of the legs. So a mid-segment, it kind of sounds like what the name is. Mid-segment has endpoints that are midpoints, which I know that these are midpoints because if you notice on the legs, it is in the middle because we have two nifty congruent segments. Holy hot dog, right? Okay, so a mid-segment will connect those points and some nifty properties arise when we have a mid-segment in a trapezoid. Now, this does not have to be an isosceles trapezoid. This is true for any trapezoid, so get pumped up. So, the trapezoid mid-segment theorem, sorry guys, says the mid-segment of a trapezoid is parallel to each base. So first of all, this segment is parallel to each of the bases. So it's parallel to the first base as well as the second base, which is pretty exciting. Okay, also, the mid-segment is half the sum of the lengths of the bases, which the bases, if you remember from the Prezi video, are the parallel sides of the nifty trapezoid. Alright, so when we solve this, it tells us we're going to be solving for s to the t. So I want to know what st is. Okay, so in order to do that, we're going to be using our nifty mid-segment theorem found in trapezoids. So let's see here, which one of the segments in the trapezoid is the mid-segment? Which is the segment connecting these two nifty midpoints? Holy hot dog, you guys are incredible. Okay, the mid-segment is segment MN. So MN will equal, according to this nifty formula over here, 1/2 the sum of both of our bases added together. So it'll be the sum of our bases. So what is one of the parallel sides in the trapezoid? Holy hot dog, you guys are so smart. One of them is s to the t. Alright, and then plus our other base, which, you guys are so smart, is r to the u. Nice. Alright, and then after this, you guys, we just substitute everything in, and we will be able to find segment st eventually. Alright, so let's see here. Looking here, what is the length of mn? Heavenly hamburger, you guys are a genius. N to the n is 31, so I'm going to replace my mn with 31, okay, which equals 1/2 s to the t, which I don't know s to the t, so I'm going to leave it as segment st. All right, plus r to the u, which r to the u is in fact 38. All right, guys, and guess what? From here, we just simply have to solve. So I'm going to get out of this so you can see my whole paper, not just part of it. I don't want to cover up this. It's very important, very important. All right, so let's start solving. All right, so in order to solve st, currently this 1/2 is getting in the way. It's irking me, and I don't like it. I'm offended by this 1/2. Okay, so the way that we're going to solve this, the 1/2 is outside of parenthesis, which the way we deal with that bad boy is by distributing. All right, let's do this thing. So 31 will equal 1/2 times s to the t, which I don't know, plus 1/2 times 38, or half of 38, which half of 38 is 19. All right, let's keep on going, keep on going. So I need to get st by itself. So the way I'm going to move my 19 to the other side, the opposite of positive 19 is in fact negative 19. So I'm going to subtract both sides by negative 19. Oh man, I'm having fun. All right, so 19 minus 19 cancels out and turns to 0. 31 minus 19 will give me, let's see here, 31 minus 20 is 11, so this should give me 12. I'll double check though. Yep, all is right. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going. So 12 equals 1/2 s to the t. All right, guys, we're so close. We just got to solve for st. We can do it. We can do it. I believe in you. All right, so how do we move a fraction to the other side of our equal sign? You do have to multiply by the reciprocal. You guys are like geniuses. I mean, you guys are so smart. So the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 over 1. Which on this side, the 1's will cancel and the 2's. So on this side, I'm left with ST. And this side will be 2 over 1 times 12. But that is the same thing as solving 2 times 12. So ST will be 24. And guess what, you guys? We solved for ST. So that means we're done. And we're happy because we love the trapezoid mid-segment theorem. All right, nice job, you guys. You guys killed that. Awesome.